In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate multiple AI videos clips from Grok Imagine. First, open Grok in your browser. We'll be working inside its Imagine workspace to create video clips quickly and consistently. As of now, there isn't a true batch video generator button, so we'll simulate batching by preparing our prompts up front and running them one after another with consistent settings. This approach keeps your results cohesive and speeds up production. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Imagine. That's where you'll type prompts, choose between image or video output, and control settings like resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. Before you start generating, prepare a prompt batch list. This is simply a list of prompts you plan to run in sequence. The key is to use a consistent prompt template so all your clips share a visual language. Pick a theme, then lock in repeatable elements such as style, lighting, movement, and mood. For example, decide on a cyberpunk aesthetic, rainy atmosphere, cinematic tone, and a slow camera move. Then only swap the subject each time, like alley, skyline, market, or rooftop, so you get variation without losing the overall look and feel. In Imagine, click into the Type to Imagine field and enter your first prompt. For example, Cyberpunk City Rain, Cinematic Slow Camera Pan. Keep it concise and descriptive. Short, clear modifiers generally produce more repeatable results than long, tangled sentences. You'll see options for output types. Click on image if it appears first to confirm the default view, then switch to video so we can generate motion. Now choose your resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. As a rule of thumb, vertical works great for shorts and reels, horizontal fits traditional widescreen, and square is versatile for feeds. Higher resolution looks sharper but may take longer to render. Pick a duration that matches your use case. Shorter clips loop nicely and render faster. Most importantly, keep these settings identical across all prompts in your batch for a uniform series. When everything looks right, click Submit or press Enter to generate the clip. Once it finishes, move to the next prompt in your batch list and repeat. You can also use the Create More Variations option on a result you like to explore additional looks while keeping the core style. Iterate through your list, reusing the same template and settings each time. That's it. Even without a dedicated batch button, this workflow lets you rapidly produce multiple, on-brand AI video clips in Grok Imagine with minimal friction.